Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, SSC CHSL exam is starting from March. If you are preparing for CHSL, then this video is most important for you. That's why you will watch this video carefully, friends. And yes friends, the quality of the video will be good, all the content will be good. Then you will not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So friends, without delay, let's start the video. Your first question is, which was used in the third generation computer? Answer is option D, integrated circuit. Vitamin H is also called dash. Answer is option C, biotin. Which gas is used in cigarette lighter? Answer is option B, butane. Which hormone is also known as antidiuretic hormone? Answer is option A, vasopressin. Which dynasty ruled for the maximum time under the Vijayanagar Empire? Answer is option D, Sangam dynasty. Under which article the Parliament of India can constitute administrative tribunal? Answer is option B, Article 323A. Which of the following schedule deals with the division of powers between the Union and the states? Answer is option A, 7th schedule. Ravi Kumar Dahiya is related to which sport? Answer is option D, wrestling. With what is the Sangam text Tolkappiyam related? Answer is option C, grammar. Where is the earliest evidence of agriculture in the Indian subcontinent obtained? Answer is option C, from Mehergarh. Which river is also known as Sangpo in Tibet? Answer is option A, Brahmaputra river. Which is an important river of Indian desert? Answer is option D, Luni river. Which gas is released by green plants during photosynthesis? Answer is option B, oxygen. What is the instrument used to measure the rate of growth of a stem called? Answer is option D, oxenometer. In 1953, Japan's Minamata disease was caused by eating fish contaminated with. Answer is option C, mercury. Even after sunset, the air near the Earth's surface continues to receive heat because of what? Answer is option A, terrestrial radiation. In which article of the Constitution residuary powers have been enshrined? Answer is option B, Article 248. What is the Indian Federation called in the Indian Constitution? Answer is option C, Union of States. Which of the following musical instruments is played by Ali Akbar Khan? Answer is option D, sarod. Uber Cup and Thomas Cup are related to. Answer is option B, badminton. The right side of the human heart receives dash blood. Answer is option A, impure. What gas does a fire extinguisher emit? Answer is option A, carbon dioxide. Which compound is formed when a magnesium ribbon is burnt in air? Answer is option D, magnesium oxide. On adding common salt of water, the boiling point and freezing point of water? Answer is option C, gradually increases and decreases. Dash is a hormone that controls the amount of glucose in the blood. Answer is option B, insulin. Kalbelia dance is a folk dance performed in which state? Answer is option A, Rajasthan. Who among the following was elected as the president of the All India Khilafat Conference in Delhi in 1919? Answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Which of the following Harappan site was not located in Gujarat? Answer is option D, Daimabad. Where did Lord Buddha give his first sermon? Answer is option A, Sarnath. Which Vijayanagara ruler allowed the Portuguese to build churches in his empire? Answer is option C, Venkat II. Who led the British army in the Battle of Buxar? Answer is option B, Hector Munro. Which of the following rebellion movement did not take place in the Bengal region? Answer is option A, Baghera Rebellion. Annamalai Wildlife Sanctuary is the most beautiful wildlife sanctuary located in which state? Answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Which country is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar? Answer is option C, Sri Lanka. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was passed in? Answer is option D, 2005. Special drawing rights were created by Dash. Answer is option C, IMF means International Monetary Fund. Which of the following has the least frequency? Answer is option C, visible light. Which of the following bond is the weakest in nature? Answer is option A, hydrogen bonding. What is the common feature of elements in the same group in the periodic table? Answer is option B, electrons in the outer shell. Pepsin is an enzyme that digests dash. Answer is option A, protein. Somatosensory receptors in humans detect dash. Answer is option D, touch. The alveoli are balloon-like structures inside. Answer is option B, lungs. Whose reign is called the Golden Age of India in Indian history? Answer is option D, Gupta Empire. Name the poet who wrote Prithviraj Raso, which describes the life of Prithviraj Chauhan. Answer is option A, Chandbardai. Who was the founder of Brahmo Samaj established in 1828? Answer is option C, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. When did the tragedy of Jallianwala Bagh happen? Answer is option D, 13 April 1919. The author of A Nation in the Making was? Answer is option B, Surendranath Banerjee. The trees of ebony and mahogany are related to? Answer is option B, tropical evergreen forest. The Gaza Strip is located along the coast of dash. Answer is option A, Mediterranean Sea. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Answer is option A, the planet Venus. Where is New Murray Island located? Answer is option B, in the Bay of Bengal. The famous JVP committee, comprising Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, and Pattabhi Sitaramaiah, was appointed in December 1948 for dash. Answer is option A, to examine the issue of reorganization of states on linguistic basis.